And guys, you must be honest when it comes to your weight, ha?
Nganong you need to be honest when it comes to your weight?
Kaya kaya kung dili ka honest, magpaasip ka, gamay kayot, ang ending tugdun ka sa magkakauyan, dito ka puniton.
Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away with me.
Hi everyone, so we are now going to actually dito man mag-start ang paragliding. So karon since na-flatan man ni nagsakay rami og habang-habang. So say hi Mahina.
Hi everyone! Again, another Upmar. So let's explore Oslob. So this time, ato na po sa the paragliding. Maraming nasakta kanina nga. Crash landing kanina. Scary. Hey!
See you there! Hi everyone! So na namin sa take-off zone sa paragliding. So in a while, mag-start nami, manakay nami paragliding. Ay, mas manakay nami og katong para kuan paragliding activity. Paragliding! So kairit. So, diri is di mo ka siya init kaya tungod sa mga trees. So,
Mas nice siya guys nga. Dagang trees yung palibot guys kay proven na siya di siya init.
true.
Yung balay ganit kay laksot na kayo. Bawi sa mga trees. Okay. So kung nindot kayo plantitas, okay itong gagmay ng mga plants.
Alright! So nakita na mo guys. So see you in a while!
It used to be so simple. Haven't got a clue as to why the world is filled with lies. But then again, we're sinful. Guess we keep the truth to ourselves. Maybe we're hypnotized. This is life. I've been living. Shit's too serious, but I can't advance it.
Hi Nadine! What are you feeling right now, Nadine?
Feel so excited.
Come on! Ikaw, Michael.
Of course, also excited because I didn't expect this to happen, but now it's a dream come true.
Eh, mo kalipa, ma'am.
Feeling?
Any chance ka mag-open the sir? Musta may mga new normal ninyo nga mga best practices?
As of now, we have already submitted our COVID protocols. So we disinfect our wings daily, and we are planning on purchasing an ultraviolet light para sa among wings, para amo siya ma-sigurado. Our protocol for the passengers is for social, if not at the race of one, as much as possible, let's observe social distancing, mask, if ganan magdala og inyong own hygiene like alcohol, wala problem. Like as much as possible, dili lang na magbilin ang atong mga gamit para dili mahilabtan sa uban. Kay wala sa ang transmit ang virus. So follow lang sa regular na protocols, existing protocols. Hi everyone! So today namin karon sa take-off area para sa paragliding activity sa municipality of Oslob. So among gi-interview ang mga taga-diri so that we will know what are the new processes and the new protocols para safe ang mga activities dire sa kuan, which is the paragliding. So here with me is Michael, Sir Javel, nga ni Ugach, si Donkey, og si Theo Mastix. So, pwede na mo sad mo like sa yung vlog. Adri, oh.
And guys, you must be honest when it comes to your weight, ha?
Nganong you need to be honest when it comes to your weight?
Kaya kaya kung dili ka honest, magpaasip ka, gamay kayot, Da, ending tugdun ka sa magkakauyan da, hindi ko ka puliton. So dapat honest na guys, kung feel mo imuha ganing timbang is rana ko 83, may sulti na check ko. 83, musulti ka pakapilan mo 2 kilos so 85 ka at least ba, lasyo man ang pakapin dahil kaysa magkulang. At least ka na pakapin makatugdun ka susyalan. So kung kulang tugdun ka sa to.
Yeah, because according to them, ilahang i-assess ang inyong weight. I-assess ang inyong weight because na ay mga glider nga suited sa imuhang weight. So wala siya. You need to be honest before taking the activity.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty but hearts are full anyway. Hey, playing like children and love like R&J. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway.
So hi everyone. Padong nami uli kay natutyo mi, di mo mi nakasakay because wala pa nag-open ilahang para sa mga guests. So as of right now, since napa may mga limitations gikan sa capital, so dili pa open ang magsakay ang mga guest. So right now mamauli mi, at least we know the rules ug unsay mga dapat isuot ug unsay mga dapat muon the next time nga musakay. So thank you everyone for watching, and if ever you're new to my channel, please click subscribe.
And please don't unsubscribe to all the subscribers already.
Thank you everyone.
Come and fly